A lot of people cook this. So what they do, sometimes they use salt taco shell, but I'm going to use this taco. And you will see when I cook my noodles how it turn out. That's the noodles. And this right here is the name of the beef. And this right here. I'm using this. And from a taco, after I put the meat in my taco with the noodles, the meat, so I'm just gonna use cilantro and onion for the topping for the tacos. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna be my dinner. Okay guys, I got my taco warmed up. Now put some noodles in the taco. You guys, I forgot to put my meat.
What is these for? Infants?
I don't know, the little bit old thing.
You don't put that right there. Oh, no.
I forgot, but anyway, you see the onion. So I just forgot to put it.
Tired.
Okay guys, you'll see how this, I'll let you guys know how it tastes. But yeah, but that's the noodle. Okay, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family to show that what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up, subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and you'll see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that being said, you guys have a blessed day. Be safe. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Alrighty. Boom. Y'all, at least that's how they say it. Because it's kind of scared to take a picture of it. Forget the little mess on the napkin. But yeah, we'll try it out. See what it's working with.
Chiefs and Cowboys, the main course on this Turkey Day, second ever matchup between Patrick Mahomes and Dak Prescott. Mahomes has never